In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Wix Hani in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First things first, you'll need to visit wix.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward and should only take a few minutes of your time. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you need to clearly define your goals and target audience. Think about what you want your website to achieve and who you are trying to reach. This is crucial because a defined purpose and a solid understanding of your audience can guide your design decisions and content creation, ensuring your website is effective and relevant. Now ask yourself, what will your website do exactly? Are you showcasing your portfolio, or perhaps you're setting up an online store? Understanding this will help you make the right choices as you proceed. Plus, considering who you want to attract will inform your style and content, making sure it resonates well with your visitors. Next, it's time to choose how you want to start designing your site. Wix provides a vast collection of beautiful templates, or if you prefer, you can use their sophisticated AI builder. The AI builder will create a site based on the inputs you provide, making the process even easier if you're not sure where to begin. Once you've chosen a template or have a site generated by the AI, you're ready to personalize it. Wix offers a user-friendly drag and drop editor that lets you customize your site's design. You can adjust everything from images and text to layout and style to suit your brand and goals. This flexibility is what makes Wix so accessible, even for those with little to no design experience. Now, when it comes to content, think about engaging text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements that effectively convey your message. Content is king, and compelling content ensures your site communicates your value and keeps visitors interested and engaged. To increase your site's visibility, don't forget about SEO. Wix has built-in SEO tools that help improve your site's ranking on search engines, making it easier for potential visitors to find you online. Take advantage of these tools and optimize your website for the best possible visibility. Additionally, adding a custom domain name gives your website a unique and professional look. Register and connect your domain through Wix to make this happen seamlessly. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your site. By doing this, you make your website accessible to the world. But remember, launching your site is just the beginning. Use Wix's marketing tools and other strategies to drive traffic and grow your online presence effectively. And there you have it. From setup to launch, you've created a website using Wix Honey in just a few simple steps. Happy building?